Hello everyone, myself Sujit Sanjay Patil, faculty Shri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandals, Rasiklal M. Dhariwal, College of Pharmacy, Chinchwad, Pune. In this video, we are going to see about drug interaction. Contains learning objectives, definition, type of interaction, factor contributing drug interaction, mechanism of drug interaction, synergism and antagonism. Definition: drug interaction is defined as the pharmacological activity of one drug is altered by use of another drug or by presence of some other substance. The drug whose activity is affected by such an interaction is called as object drug, and the agent which precipitates such an interaction is referred to as the precipitant. Types of drug interaction. There are 5 types of drug interaction. These are drug-drug interaction, drug-food interaction, chemical drug interaction, drug laboratory test interaction, drug disease interaction. Drug interactions are thus mostly undesirable, rarely desirable. For example, enhancement of activity of penicillin when administered with probenecid. Factor contributing to drug interactions. Multiple drug therapy, multiple prescribers, multiple pharmacological effect of drug, multiple disease, poor patient compliance, advancing age of patient, drug related factors. Mechanism of drug interactions. The 3 mechanisms by which an interaction can develop are pharmaceutical interactions, pharmacokinetic interactions, pharmacodynamic interactions. Pharmaceutical interaction, also called as incompatibility, it is physicochemical interaction that occurs when drugs are mixed in intravenous infusion, causing precipitation or intravenous of active principle. Example: ampicillin or chlorpromazine and barbiturates interact with dextran in solution and are broken down or form chemical compounds. Pharmacokinetic interaction. These interactions are those in which ADME properties of the object drug is altered by the precipitant, and hence such interactions are called ADME interactions. The resultant effect is altered plasma concentration of the object drug. These are classified as absorption interaction, distribution interaction, metabolism interaction, and excretion interaction. Absorption interaction are those where the absorption of the object is altered. The net effect of such an interaction is faster or slower drug absorption, more or less complete drug absorption. Major mechanisms of absorption interactions are complexation and adsorption, alteration in GI and in pH, alteration in gut motility, inhibition of GI enzymes, alteration of GI microflora, malabsorption syndrome. Distribution interaction are those where the distribution pattern of the object drug is altered. The major mechanism for distribution interaction is alteration in protein drug binding, competitive displacement interaction, that is anticoagulant, phenylbutazone, increase clotting time, increase risk of hemorrhage. Tolbutamide, sulfonamides, increase hypoglycemic effect. Metabolism interaction are those where the metabolism of the object drug is altered. Mechanism of metabolism interaction include enzyme induction, that is increased rate of metabolism, enzyme inhibition, that is decreased rate of metabolism. It is the most significant interaction in comparison to other interaction and can be fatal. Types of drug interaction. There are 5 types of drug interaction. These are drug-drug interaction, drug-food interaction, chemical drug interaction, drug laboratory test interaction, drug disease interaction. Pharmacodynamic interactions are those in which the activity of the object drug at its site of action is altered by the precipitant. Such interactions may be direct or indirect. These are of 2 types. First, direct pharmacodynamic interaction, and second one is indirect pharmacodynamic interactions. Direct pharmacodynamic interaction, in which drugs having similar or opposing pharmacological effect are used concurrently. The 3 consequences of direct interactions are antagonism, addition or summation, synergism or potentiation. The drug whose activity is affected by such an interaction is called as object drug, and the agent which precipitates such an interaction is referred to as the precipitant. Indirect pharmacodynamic interaction, in which both the object and the precipitant drugs have unrelated effect, but the latter in some way alters the effect of the former drug. Example: salicylate increase the ability of the platelet to aggregate, thus impairing the hormones of warfarin. Induced bleeding occurs. Pharmaceutical interaction, also called as incompatibility, it is physicochemical interaction that occurs when drugs are mixed in intravenous infusion, causing precipitation or reducing the risk of drug interaction. Identify the patient's risk factor, take through drug history, be knowledge about the action of the drug being used, consider therapeutic alternatives, avoid complex therapeutic when possible, educate the patient, minor therapy. These are the reducing risk of drug interactions. Influencing of smoking on drug interaction. Smoking increases the activity of drug metabolizing enzyme in the liver, with the result that certain therapeutic agents, example diazepam, theophylline, olanzapine, are metabolized more rapidly and their effect is decreased. Influence of alcohol on drug interaction. Chronic use of alcohol beverages may increase the rate of metabolism of drug such as warfarin and phenytoin, probably by increasing the activity of hepatic enzyme. Acute use of alcohol by non-alcoholic individuals may cause an inhibition of hepatic enzyme. Use of alcoholic beverages with sedatives and other depressants drugs could result in excessive depressants response. Influencing of food on drug interaction. Food affect the rate and extent of absorption of drugs from gastrointestinal tract. Example, many antibiotics should be given at least 1 hour before or 2 hours after meal to achieve optimal absorption. The type of food may be important with regard to the absorption of concurrently administered drug. Example, dietary items such as milk and other dairy products that contain calcium may decrease. The absorption of tetracycline and fluoroquinolone derivative. Diet also may influence urinary pH values. Thank you.